Hello everyone, it's Elijah over here at Veurink's RV Center, located right here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Family owned and operated for well over 64 years, and we love to help you and your family into your next RV. Today I have the opportunity to show you the 2019 Keystone Hideout 308BHDS fifth wheel. Now this comes in at a weight of 9,100 pounds, 35 foot in length, tons of sleeping areas, lots of new features for this year. I know we're gonna cover some of those features today, but not all of them. So I encourage you to call or text me at the number below, which is 616-965-9603. So what do we say we take a look around? Now back here on the 308, it features a beautiful outside kitchen here. I have a nice size refrigerator here, extra storage outside for all of your necessities, chips, utensils, whatever you need to bring along. Even a full plumb sink here, great counter space, 110 outlet here as well. A pull-out 2-burner cooktop, which is also accessible with your LP line right underneath. So it's just a quick connect and stow it away and you're good to go there. As we make our way forward here, I'd like to show you a little bit more. New for this year is Keystone's friction door hinge. What you call it, whip it right open. It doesn't have to worry about it smacking into the side of your coach at all. And then they added your beautiful solid steps. Folds right down, very sturdy. So come on in, let's take a peek inside. Well, welcome inside of the 2019 Keystone Hideout 308BHDS. There's a lot to talk about, new product enhancements, really dressing this thing up. But let's get to the nuts and bolts here. Let's start out in the back of the bunk room here and show you how much room there is back there. Well, welcome to the bunk room of the 308 Hideout. Now this here is gonna feature a single bunk on top here. Great storage underneath, great space for board games, along with all the little trinket things that little ones like to bring along with them. Clothes, sweatshirts, shoes, boots, whatever you need to bring along. Even a built-in ladder here to help them get up and down safely. Swinging around here, it's gonna feature nice little cushions here that will actually collapse out as well, giving you another sleeping arrangement. And a flip-down bunk capable of holding 300 pounds. So another little one can sleep there very easily. The nice thing is about the 308, it does give you a full door, so that way it does close off the little ones. So that way it gives you guys a little bit more privacy if they want to sleep in. Just outside the bunk room is the full bath inside of the 308, featuring a foot flush porcelain toilet, a private door from inside and outside, giving you an opportunity to use it without tracking a whole lot of mud or anything else throughout the coach. A good sized sink with lower storage as well, and a nice, beautiful mirrored vanity, along with storage behind that. Above your spacious shower in the 308 is a nice sized skylight there, giving you plenty of natural light. Even the total surround all the way through, keeping the coach clean and dry. And a very good sized tub as well. Inside your second slide out inside the 308 is your U-shaped dinette. Very spacious area. Everybody can gather around the table, enjoy those meals, play those card games. What's really unique about this dinette table is what's called the Do More Dinette. So with the click of a button, I'm just gonna slide this thing right down into place. I can arrange those cushions, and it's another sleeping arrangement here for me, no problem. Those little ones can come along, bring your friends, bring all your family with you. And then you step up front here to your great size love seat here. Very nice furniture, great soft touch. This is actually a Trifold Sofa. Now some of them don't always have these, so make sure you contact me and let me make sure that I have one that you want. It's in stock. Working your way forward to the entertainment center area, you're gonna notice that you have nice glass inlaid cupboards, really pretty look. Great hardware too. LED TV, flat screen, even AM, FM, DVD player, does it all. Bluetooth connectivity, that thing will do it all for you. USB chargers built right in. Hideout's been thinking of this stuff for so long. Great space here, coat hooks, even additional storage down below. Again, storage is always key when we're looking into campers, so that we always wanna maximize on that space. As you make your way over to the kitchen here, love the new countertops, incredible look, even an LED underneath, so give you a nice ambient lighting at night. And again, more space up above, shelves up there, great area. I love the new look. They give you a stainless steel appliances, the new Furion cooktop, which is incredible, doubles up as a backsplash for you. Just wow. And then you work your way down even farther here. You got more storage below, even a great space for a trash can, some pull-out drawers here, great space, and then a central vac to help you clean up after all the little ones go through here. No problem. Working your way into your private master, it's going to feature a residential queen mattress, giving you a nice nightstand here on the off door side, nice pull-out drawer here for your needs there. And then you'll have overhead storage, again, that glass inlaid to it, giving you a bit more of a modern feel and touches to it. Even the hardware continues into the front master bedroom. But what's really unique about this floor plan is it gives mom and dad their own private bathroom up front, giving you a porcelain toilet, foot flushed, along with a nice sized vanity and sink here, along with plenty of storage underneath as well. Well, thanks for tagging along with me as we toured the all-new 2019 Keystone Hideout 308BHDS. I know we touched on some features, but I know I probably didn't touch on every single last one of them. So I encourage you to reach out to me at 616-965-9603. You can even text that number for your convenience. And as always, make sure you come see me, E, at Veurink's RV. We'll see you soon.